Kanka satıyorlar bence orada insanlar.
Oh, nice mushrooms. That looks very tasty. Everything.
Thank you. Thank you.
Teşekkürler.
Wow, sweetheart.
These mushrooms look awesome. Look at this. This is 35 lira each, you know?
Look at the design.
Like English breakfast.
Wow. So this is a, what's the name of this food?
Saman special they call it.
Saman Special.
Like
And
a
why
place.
Saman? Because the name of the restaurant
As
is
a breakfast, you
Saman.
know? This is like a breakfast.
So this is breakfast special. So
But
we
you can have it in the lunch.
So what we get here, fried cheese and a sausage and mushrooms with pita
Yeah.
bread and some french fries and an egg.
These mushrooms looks very promising.
Wow, this is very nice breakfast. I
Yeah.
like this. And we are sitting right here next to Pigeon Island in Kuşadası with a beautiful view in a beautiful place. And it's called Saman. It's right behind the 1453 Osmanlı. See you in Kuşadası.